this is Revan and welcome to Revan Media. And in this video, I will show you some of the interesting Android tips and tricks and some cool hidden Android features you can use with your phone. Before we start this video, a small disclaimer. If you are an iOS user, then this is not the video for you guys. I'm sorry. But Android smartphone users must pay attention to this video because this video is for all Android users. There are a whole lot of things we can do with our phones, and there are some cool and interesting Android features which we can use if we know how to use them. But most of us don't make use of those features that Android has to offer, and we end up not utilizing any of those interesting features. But don't worry. After watching this video, you will learn a lot of new things about your phone which have never used it before. So, the first hidden Android features in our list is Google Lens. I can guarantee you that very few people heard about this Android feature. Google Lens is a very useful app that allows you to search what you see. Google is not only known for searching what you type, but also it will help you search for things that you see. Suppose say if I want to know the price of this mouse, then I can use Google Lens app to scan this mouse and it will give me the price and picture of that exact mouse. The same thing for bags. I can scan this bag using Google Lens app and it will show me the price and name of that bag. Suppose say you saw a beautiful flower and you want to know the name of that flower, then you don't have to ask anyone for help. Instead, ask Google. Yes, use a Google Lens app. This will scan the object that is right in front of you using an augmented reality and tells you the exact name of that flower. This app is so helpful in many different ways. Suppose say you are in a Spanish, Italian or Chinese restaurant and you got a menu that has no photos and the menu is in Spanish or Italian, then you may get confused and think about what to order. Don't worry, use a Google Lens app to scan the menu and it will tell you the name of that food that was mentioned in your menu and also gives you some pictures of that food. Now you can order a food that you love and you can enjoy your meal. This app is also being used to translate different languages, helps to recognize the name of the place, buildings, and identifies almost all animals and objects like books, calculators, and anything that you don't know the name of. So Google offers you this amazing app for all Android users and you must try this app. There is another cool feature which you can make use if you are an Android user. This Android feature is also from Google. If you type any animal names on Google and it will give you the information about animals on the top. And if you scroll down a little bit, then you can see a view in 3D option. This will give you an animal in 3D view. And the other cool thing about this is you can also see the 3D model of that animal in your place. Hit view in your place and you can see the live view of that animal in your place, and also you can change the size of the animal. This doesn't help you in doing something, but it's just a fun feature you can enjoy in your Android smartphone. But the bad news is this feature doesn't support with all Android phones. So the next Android tip is related to Google Maps. If you are using Google Maps, then don't use double tap every time to zoom in. Instead, just double tap once and swipe up and swipe down to zoom in or zoom out. This way you can zoom in and out much quicker than just double tapping each time to zoom in. If you hold your phone with both hands, then use two fingers and move them in opposite directions to zoom in and zoom out. And use two fingers and place it on a screen and rotate the map in whichever direction you want to rotate. The next Android feature is useful while using your Chrome browser. It is obvious that when we use Chrome, we visit multiple websites and some of them even visited 10 to 20 websites. And what Google Chrome does it saves all the websites that you visited And if you have noticed carefully, on the top right corner of your browser, you can see the number of websites you have opened in those browsers. And if you want to go back to your previous website, then swipe right or swipe left. This way, you can switch between each tab and you can access all the websites easily. There is another method where you can just tap onto this number and it will give you the websites that you have opened previously, and you can access any of these websites from here. The next Android tip is using a split screen on your phone. If you want to do two tasks at once, like if you want to watch YouTube video, at the same time you want to text with your girlfriend, boyfriend or friend, then you can make use of these split screen options in your Android phone. I know it feels annoying sometimes when somebody sends a message while you are watching YouTube videos or movies on your phone. Most of the time, we ignore that message while watching something on our phone. But if a message comes from your girlfriend, then you cannot ignore that, right? And you don't have to pause your videos every time just to send a message. How about you split the screen into two so that you can watch your YouTube videos and also you can chat with your girlfriend? Well, to do that, go to the recent app options and you can see a split screen options located on the top left corner. Hit that and tap and hold on to the app that you would like to use in screen 1. Drag it on the top corner and tap and drag the second app you would like to use in screen 2. Now you can use two screens where you can chat with your girlfriend at the same time you can enjoy watching your YouTube videos as well. Split screen is also useful where you can copy a text from Google and you can paste it directly into your WhatsApp chat. So these are some of the cool hidden Android features you can use on your phone. Have you ever used any of these features before? Please let me know in the comment section below. And if you like this video, then please hit that like button. And if I get 1000 likes on this video, then I will make a part 2 of this video, where I will show you more Android tips and tricks. So if you want to see a part 2, then go and hit that like button. So thanks for watching and I will see you in my next video.